Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Got a 2014 Subaru WRX that's making all kinds of noise when going down the road. The customer thought that they had maybe a transmission problem or something with the drivetrain, maybe even a wheel bearing. Now I was gonna pull the wheels off and spin this to listen for a bearing or any noise like that, but everything sounded just fine. So I took it for a little drive, and to me it sounded like something is loose or rattling. I decided just to lift it up and crawl underneath. I think I found the issue right away. So I didn't see anything hanging down, but it sounded like a really lightweight rattle. You know, nothing really heavy, no thud or anything. And I came down here and I just kind of started pushing around on everything. And listen to this. That's what it sounded like. So then I just started looking to see what's loose or what's missing. And these inserts are in there, but this one's really loose. Then I came over here and I noticed that we have one missing. Right there, and up here at the top, nothing in there. Over here in the front, another one missing. In the center, another one missing. And then right over here, this one's also gone. So I think it's just a combination of all of these together that are missing. It's just making this thing rattle like crazy when driving, and I think that's all it is. I might even change these out with a different style. Something that's a little bit tighter. I have a lot of different universal push pins and little clips. I think that's all this is going to take. So sometimes these just get brittle and snap off. And yeah, one of the teeth is broken off on this. There's supposed to be 4, but I'm going to see if I can improve on that one. And then of course we're going to put some in all of the spots that are missing. See, even this one right here, it's really loose. Looks like it's maybe just loose or worn out. So let's pull that one out here too. That one just rolled away, but I can see that it was broken too. You know, one of these little tabs was missing on that other one too. So I think that's gonna help, along with, of course, replacing all the missing ones. But I think that was our noise. So let's get to replacing those. Now I've got several of these trays of universal clips, and that's what I'm gonna use. We'll find one that works and snap them all in, and then we'll go for a quick little test drive. Hopefully that's our issue, but we'll find out here in just a minute. All right, so here's what I found. Looks like it's close enough in diameter. Oh, see how much more sturdy that is? Put another one in here. Locked in place. Already feels way better over here. Now let's put in the other ones that are missing. This one here looks like it had a bolt that went through because there's threads on the inside. And I just noticed this other side here is missing too. This one here. Now that's too loose. I'm gonna find a bigger one for that. This should be the same as the other side, yep. Perfect. All right, let's put this one in right up here. Perfect. Definitely not making the noise that it was. All right, for this threaded hole here, I happen to find a little bolt that looks like it will work and a little rubber washer. Looks like it's gonna work perfectly. And hopefully the rubber washer will help dampen any vibrations that cause noise. That's nice and solid. Let's go do the other one. You know, a lot of these plastic things, sometimes guys will take them out and they just break them and they just leave them off. Especially at a cheap oil change place. Okay. Oh, that feels perfect. I'm pretty sure that was our noise, but let's go take it for a quick test drive and then confirm this repair. And that's it. That's all it was. Went for a quick drive. Rattles are gone. No noises at all. Everything sounds great. Now, they're not always all this easy, but pretty good news to give the customer here that no parts required. Just a few snaps and a couple bolts that I had in the shop. So this is good to go. Good to get back to the customer and get back on the road. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description to some of those plastic snaps and some of those tools to remove them as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.